Say, ako po ay si.
Ako po ay si.
Ako po
Po
ay
ay
si. What's your name?
Aiden.
That's how you say it. Say it again. Ako
Po
po ay si.
ay si Aiden.
There. How about Ate Yana?
I see.
Okay. How about Ala? No? You don't know? How about say paalam?
Paalam.
How about Ate Yana? Paalam. Say
You
paalam.
want a Pokemon card?
How about Ella? No again? Sabi, maraming salamat po.
What?
Say maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
How about Tatiana? Okay, what do you mean by maraming salamat po?
Thank you so much po.
Good job, Kuya.
Kiss it.
How do you say delicious in Tagalog?
I don't know.
How about Tatiana?
You know, I can see it.
Okay, it's masarap.
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 How about Tatiana? Masarap. That means yummy or delicious. Okay. Yes. Next is masaya. How about Kuya?
What?
Say masaya.
Masaya.
Ate, I can see your panty. Sit down properly, please. Say masaya.
Masaya.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know.
Masaya is I'm happy. What's next? If you use it first in a sentence, ako ay masaya. Say, ako ay masaya.
Ako yung masaya.
That does it mean what? That means I am happy.